Good morning and welcome back to One More Tips. Today we're going to share with you 5 high-protein breakfast recipes that are not only delicious but also great for your health and weight loss goals. Protein is an essential nutrient that helps build and repair tissues in our body. It also keeps us feeling full for longer, which can aid in weight loss. So, let's get started with our first recipe. Our first recipe is a protein smoothie bowl. For this, you'll need 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder, half a cup of frozen berries, 1 banana, and some almond milk. Blend all these ingredients in a blender until you get a smooth consistency. Pour the mixture into a bowl and top it with some sliced bananas, blueberries, and a sprinkle of granola. This smoothie bowl is packed with protein, antioxidants, and fiber, making it an excellent choice for breakfast. Next up, we have a protein-packed breakfast burrito. For this, you'll need 2 eggs, 1 whole wheat tortilla, a handful of spinach, 1 diced tomato, and some shredded cheddar cheese. Scramble the eggs in a pan and add in the spinach and diced tomatoes. Once cooked, spoon the mixture onto the tortilla, sprinkle with cheddar cheese, and roll it up. This burrito is not only high in protein, but it's also a great source of fiber and other essential nutrients. Top it with some fresh berries and a drizzle of honey. This oatmeal is not only high in protein, but it's also a great source of fiber and other essential nutrients. For our third recipe, we have protein-packed oatmeal. For this, you'll need half a cup of oats, 1 scoop of protein powder, and some almond milk. Cook the oats in almond milk and add in the protein powder. Stir until it's well combined and the oats are cooked. Our fourth recipe is a vegetable and egg scramble. For this, you'll need 2 eggs, some diced bell peppers, diced onions, and spinach. Heat some olive oil in a pan and sauté the vegetables until they're cooked. Add in the scrambled eggs and cook until they're done. This vegetable and egg scramble is not only high in protein, but it's also a great source of vitamins and minerals. Last but not least, we have a protein-packed avocado toast. For this, you'll need 1 slice of whole grain bread, half an avocado, 1 boiled egg, and some cherry tomatoes. Toast the bread and mash the avocado onto it. Slice the boiled egg and place it on top of the avocado. Add in some cherry tomatoes and season with salt and pepper. This avocado toast is not only high in protein, but it's also a great source of healthy fats and other essential nutrients. And there you have it, 5 high-protein breakfast recipes that are not only delicious but also great for your health and weight loss goals. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed these recipes and try them out for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more healthy and delicious recipes.